Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's episode we are going to be taking a look at a pattern that has repeated itself for the first time since December of 2018 and spelled 5 times gains back then. What could it potentially mean for Bitcoin today? Stay tuned. All right, now if we take a look at the Bitcoin charts today, this is Bitcoin US dollar charts. These are on the weekly scale. Something has happened this week that hasn't happened since December of 2018. What is that? Well, it's a long downtrend, 6 weeks down before we get a week going back up. The last time that happened, not here, not here, not here, not here, but it was back here. December of 2018 was the last time that happened. Bitcoin right then was around $3,500 before it went up to $13,000, $14,000. So what could that potentially mean for Bitcoin? Well, if we take a look at things, and potentially, I mean, if we look, we could be in a new uptrend. Potentially, it's possible, especially since we see downtrend and then going up, downtrend again, find support going back up. Well, if we draw a line here and we bring that line out to have an upper bound, well, guess what? It was resistance here, it was resistance here, but look at this, it was support here and here. So potentially this could be a trend that we're in with Bitcoin as we see the price of Bitcoin go up almost 5% today. Well, what does that mean for the price of Bitcoin? I'll tell you what it means. If we do, in fact, find this lower bound and head back up, could potentially be heading towards the $15,000 range, maybe even extending further, wicking out even higher than that if this is true. But that's not the only thing. If we take a look here, this is the downtrend view. So I don't want to be completely optimistic, not pessimistic at all. I want to kind of give you the whole scenario. Now this chart I just made up back almost 3 weeks ago here when I was talking about these Bitcoin miners predicting the bottom. But if we take a look at that, guess what? It's holding true. We stayed down in this trend. And I had these lines here before, 7,000, 6,000, and then the $3,000 line, but also this long trend that we've been in since way back in the beginning of 2017, end of 2016, where sometime by December of 2020, we will have to break out of there. But in the meantime, we're going to be bouncing down back and forth. So even if we do head back up, on this view, it looks maybe $8,800 to $9,000 tops, whereas this view here is saying potentially could go all the way back up to $15,000. So that's what I wanted to bring you today, because guess what? Bitcoin downtrend for 6 weeks. First time uptrend, again, downtrend for 6 weeks, uptrend, and then it went down a little bit more before it really took off. Now, what do we typically see? December, January. January, typically Bitcoin sees a sell-off, so it may be a bit more along the lines of this graph here where it continues going down. But you know what? A lot of people are pretty pessimistic right now, so potentially price could be heading back up. I just wanted to present this to you because guess what? First time this has happened in about a year. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out Monarch Wallet and also Monarch Pay, the world's first decentralized recurring crypto payments. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.